Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Ahwaz Zain, student ID number 3.41.19.2.19, class counting 3C. On this occasion, I would like to present my final project of proposal. My proposal is entitled The Calculation of the Cost of the Production Using the Activity-Based Costing Method at XYZ Company. Structure of presentation. First, background. Second, problem formulation. Third, research objective. 4, research benefit. 5, literature review. 6, research methods. First, background. The rapid flow of technology requires companies to continue to innovate in various aspects in order to maintain business continuity. Squeezed by conditions of increasingly fierce market competition, of course, companies are competing to generate maximum profit with minimal cost. Effective and efficient production activities will affect the cost of production. The cost of production is an important component to determine the amount of profit to be obtained by the company. The activity-based costing method is very effective in determining the cost of goods sold because activity-based costing focuses on the cost attached to the product based on the activities carried out to produce, operate, and distribute or support the product in question. Activity-based costing can be construed as an approach to determining the cost of a product or service based on research consumption caused by activity. Second, problem formulation. 1. How is the cost of production calculated using the activity-based costing method at XYZ Company? 2. What action does the company take in managing inventory? Third, research objective. Research objective as follows. 1. Calculate the cost of production using the activity-based costing method. 2. Knowing the role of the inventory accounting information system at XYZ Company. 4. Research benefit. Research benefit consists of A. This research is expected to increase knowledge and insight, especially in the application of the activity-based costing method according to theory and to field condition. B. This research is expected to be used as input for companies regarding inventory accounting system. C. The research is expected to be used as an additional reference and information would provide an overview for students majoring accounting who will prepare their final project. 5. Literature review. Cost definition. Cost is an economic sacrifice that can be measured by money that has occurred in the past and will occur in the future to obtain goods and service. Cost classification. 1. Fixed costs. Fixed costs are defined as costs that do not change in total as business activities increase or decrease throughout normal capacity. 2. Variable costs. Variable costs are defined as costs that in total increase in proportion to an increase in business activity and decrease in proportion to a decrease in business activity. 3. Semi-variable costs. Semi-variable costs are defined as costs that exhibit both the characteristics of fixed costs and variable costs. Cost of goods sold production definition. According to Sophia and Septian, the cost of production is the cost of goods purchased of processing to completion both before and during the current accounting period. Activity-based costing definition. Sophia and Septian define activity-based costing as a costing system in which more than one factory overhead cost pool is allocated on a basis that includes one or more factors that are not related to volume or not volume-related factor. Benefit of activity-based costing. When presenting product costs more accurately and informatively, which leads to more accurate measurement of product profitability towards strategic decisions regarding selling price, product lines, market, and capital expenditure. 2. More accurate measurement of activity-driven costs, thereby helping management increase product value and process value. 3. Make it easier to provide information about relevant costs for decision making. Application of activity-based costing. According to Ahmad, the stage in the implementation of activity-based costing are as follows. A. Identify activities. B. Assign cost to activities. C. Define activity drivers. D. Determine rates. E. Assign cost to product. Research method. Data divide data type and data search. Data type is divided into two. 1. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is data that contains sentences that describe a thing. The data used such as XYZ company history, vision and mission, line of business, and organizational structure. 2. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is data in the form of number. The data used in this study include the cost of production, raw material cost, direct labor cost, and factory overhead costs. Data search. Data search is divided into two. 1. Primary data. Primary data is data taken from the first search in the file obtained from observation and interviews. 2. Secondary data. Secondary data is obtained from a second search through documentation and literature study. Data collection technique. 1. Observation. Observation is defined as a data collection method in which the investigator makes direct observation of an object, condition or situation, process, and behavior. 2. Interview. Interviewing is a process to obtain information by means of question and answer by meeting face-to-face between the interviewer and the interviewee. 3. Documentation study. Documentation study is a technique that is carried out by tracing the historical data of document. Data analysis method. The data analysis method uses research is comparative analysis. This data analysis is carried out by comparing the result of the calculation of the cost of production between the method of cost of goods manufactured using the activity-based costing method and the calculation carried out by the XYZ company. Next, writing systematic. Chapter 1, Introduction. This chapter describes the background, problem formulation, objective, and benefit of the research. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 2 outlines the theories that underlie this research. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. This chapter contains the description of methodology, type of data, data collection technique, data analysis method, and writing systematic. Chapter 4, Company Overview. Chapter Company Overview discusses the general description of the company, such as company history, vision and mission, company organizational structure, and production process. Chapter 5, Result and Discussion. This chapter contains the discussion of the calculation of the cost of goods manufactured using the activity-based costing method, along with the journal that need to be recorded, and the role of the inventory accounting information system in XYZ company. Chapter 6, Closing. The last chapter contains conclusion and suggestion on this research. This is the end of my presentation. I apologize if I made any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.